What's up, makeup minions? I'm Kim Witte from Witte Artistry, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button below and the bell next to it so you don't miss any new videos. I am back as a pizza skeleton today to read you your delightful comments on one of my past videos. Product placement. What is more fitting than having an ooey gooey, drippy, nasty skeleton read comments off of my infected plague makeup with all the boils and pus and stuff. Jadis comments, OMG, you look like you were sick for real. Anyway, I love your makeup tutorial. Thank you! I try to use reference images whenever I'm doing something that's based in reality, like boils and especially cuts and things, because I wanted to go for the realism, whereas like this is a cartoony thing. But I still use reference images. The more reference images you can use when you're doing any type of art, the more detailed and real it's gonna look. Kristen comments, that is so disgusting, you nailed it, and excuse me while I go puke. Oops, I'm sorry. Kim comments, ugh, it was literally hard for me to even watch this, but in a good way. Well, good for you, because your talent is so good it really almost made me sick. Ah, I'm sorry, but thank you, you're so sweet. SFX Makeup by Sophie comments, your videos never fail to impress. Don't forget us when you're at 1 million. Don't worry, I won't, and hopefully one day we'll get there. We're gonna keep chugging along. Let's do this! Neanderthor comments, the vomit stain after your first attempt reminded me of Bob Ross' Happy Little Accidents when he paints. Yeah, except in like a really gross, weird way. I like messed up on the vomit and wiped it off, but it left a stain behind and it made like the look I was going for, so it worked out. Aaron M comments, amazing, totally disgusting and gross, but amazing. If I saw someone looking like that coming at me, yeah, double tap, LOL, again your talent, awes me. Please don't shoot me in the head, I am just a mere pizza skeleton. I bring no fear, I bring cheesy goodness. Shanna Kessler comments, beautifully disgusting, go get yourself checked out. Thank you. I would, but I could just take it off. So, thank you guys so much for watching and for always commenting. I love you guys. I love hearing your comments, especially when you make cool requests like this pizza skeleton. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss any new videos. And huge, giant shout out to my wonderful Patreon producers. Without you, I couldn't make cool makeups like this, so thank you for believing in me. I love you, and I will see you in the next video.